Hello friends, today I am showing summer special apple juice. This juice is very healthy and very simple way and very tasty recipe. Those who are new visitor my channel, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Now let's start. These juice ingredients are needed: apple, small cutting apple, 2 number apples. Already I have cutting this apple. Now some green grapes, 1 cup pomegranate juice, now 1 cup cold milk, and now 1 tablespoon sugar. Now let's go next step. Now I have taken fresh mixer bowl, then after added small piece cutting apple, then after added green grapes, added pomegranate juice, then after added 1 cup milk and added sugar, and now this juice paste well properly. See the friends, this paste well properly and very smoothly paste. And now let's go next step. Here I have taken a strainer and now juice properly strained. This juice is very healthy and very delicious and special for summer season and very quick recipe and more tasty recipe. Please try at your home and give comments in my comment box. See the friends, this is the part of the juice and very healthy for skin, and always use your skin. And now this juice is now ready, and now let's go the next step. Here I have taken 1 fresh glass and now added the juice. Then after added small cutting grapes. And now this juice is now ready and must keep in the refrigerator 5 to 6 hours. Now juice is now ready. If you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.